What's up, guys? Today I'm back at Simcoe Signs and we've got a Ford Explorer Police Interceptor and we're going to be doing reflective vinyl.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police.
Alright, now that I got that photo shoot out of my system, we're going to go ahead and start laying out some vinyl. Looks good to me. Nah, I was just kidding, guys. You didn't think I was really going to leave that crooked, did you? I'm going to get the rest of this vinyl laid out and it'll be ready to be installed. Alright, now that that's laid out, we're going to lay out the other side. But first, here's some of the tools I'm going to be using today. Bodyguard knife from Yellow Tools is a lifesaver. Alright, now with all the vinyl applied, now we need to use our sasser cut. Now I'm going to use my wrap glove and push in all those edges that I just cut. This here is a nice little tuck tool. Need to trim this real quick. Okay, now I am about ready to pull the knifeless tape on this side to get rid of the rest of this stripe. You guys ready to see what I did?